Number 21. Fall sharply. It means to decrease quickly and by a large amount.
Prices fall sharply during the clearance sale. Prices fall sharply during the clearance sale. The temperature will fall sharply overnight. The temperature will fall sharply overnight. Attendance at events fell sharply last year. Attendance at events fell sharply last year.
Number 22. Fall silent. It means to suddenly stop talking or making noise.
The room fell silent when the director entered. The room fell silent when the director entered. Everyone fell silent during the poignant scene. Everyone fell silent during the poignant scene. The noisy crowd suddenly fell silent. The noisy crowd suddenly fell silent.
Number 23. Fall steeply. It means to decrease rapidly and significantly.
Interest rates fell steeply this quarter. Interest rates fell steeply this quarter. His approval ratings have fallen steeply. His approval ratings have fallen steeply. Stock prices can fall steeply on bad news. Stock prices can fall steeply on bad news.
Number 24. Rate falls. It means to decrease in value, amount, or frequency.
The unemployment rate falls when new jobs are created. The unemployment rate falls when new jobs are created. The crime rate falls in safer neighborhoods. The crime rate falls in safer neighborhoods. As production increases, the error rate falls. As production increases, the error rate falls.
Number 25. Feel at home. It means to feel comfortable and relaxed, as if in one's own home.
She quickly felt at home in the new city. She quickly felt at home in the new city. Make your guests feel at home. Make your guests feel at home. I always feel at home at Grandma's house. I always feel at home at Grandma's house.